How to make this text morph in Alight Motion. Add a text layer. Style it as you wish. Then I'll split the layer into two to create two different texts. Go to Effects and add the Smooth Edges effect from the Drawing an Edge category. For the first text, add a keyframe a bit before the layer ends. Go to the end of the layer and increase the strength of the Smooth Edges effect. For the second text, go a few frames after the layer has started and add a keyframe. Then go to the start of the layer and increase the strength. Done! You can slow down the animation by placing the keyframes farther apart.